In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at heat stroke.
A heat stroke occurs when one's body is overheating. This is usually as a result of exposure to high temperatures.
We're talking about temperatures of 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius if you want to go that way. And these patients usually present with altered mental status along with the high temperature, and many times they present with a dry skin.
Heat stroke often requires emergency treatment. If left untreated, persons can cause damage to the brain, heart, kidneys, and muscles. It worsens the longer treatment is delayed, increasing the risk of serious complications or death. Dr. Williams says, although the condition is not common in Jamaica, given the current heat wave, the ER at the UHWI is prepared to treat persons affected by heat stroke.
Our emergency room is equipped. We are aware of the approach to resuscitation. And in general, we have a multidisciplinary approach with a wide range of team members and specialists. So with regards to resuscitation, we have devices that we can manage the airway. We have intravenous fluids that we can resuscitate the patient and devices to monitor that our resuscitation is adequate. And of course, the usual cooling mechanism.
Meanwhile, heat stroke can be prevented if certain steps are followed. This is especially for people in high-risk groups, such as the elderly, persons on medication, as well as athletes.
For example, changing the time of day for activities to a cooler time, and drink a lot of non-alcoholic beverages. Use your fan, ensure that you're adequately hydrated.
And if you're experiencing heat stroke, seek medical help. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.